What is going on, everyone? This is Tony Pollock from Real Life Trading to give you an update on my 5K challenge. I've had a few trades over the last month or two, which is nice. Finally, the markets are giving me a few setups. It's been pretty boring and slow, but the markets are starting to pick up. So my first trade was on Peloton back around, I think, the 15th, 14th. Yeah, the 14th. This is what the chart looked like on a nice down day. I sold the spread down here at 95.90 for my 5K challenge. And as we fast forward, it kind of chopped around for a little bit and then finally started to take off. And so that was a full winner on that day right there. Just in time for me to jump into my next spread, which was on Netflix. So Netflix pulled right on back a few days later on this candle right here. I'll go ahead and rewind that so it's easier to see. This is what it looked like on Netflix. I had an alert out there, got my entry. We sold a spread down here, got paid pretty well for it. And this one moved so quick that, boom, there you go. Rock and roll. So we were able to capture our premium profits on that as well. So that worked out fantastic. That's all it needed was just a few up days and we can capture about 70% premium capture on it. And that's exactly what we did. So this bull put spread we sold down here at the 475 and then bought the 470 puts. Got paid about 95 cents or 95 cents. And we sold it 30 days out. So yeah, we were able to buy that back for 70% premium capture just a few days later. And both of those ended up being great winners and have really helped to pad the account. So if you look here at where our accounts are sitting now, we're at about $6,700 now. So we're finally starting to get ahead. We're out of that red area. So if I take a loss on one of these spreads, it'll bring me back down to where I pretty much started, which is great. Gives me a little bit of a cushion that I didn't have starting out. So we've made it through a hard part. Hopefully that loss doesn't come. It will eventually, but hopefully we can get about 10 or 15 trades in before that one loss comes. That's usually about the ratio. So, yeah, that's where we're at right now. I have another spread on the books currently, and this is on Amazon. So Amazon has had a really great gap down. I waited for it to pull back down, and on this day here, on August 11th, I got into a bull put spread, 31.20, 31.10, got paid $1.50 for it that expires September 10th. So about a month out, 30 days. It's usually a pretty good distance of what I like to do. So again, same story with Netflix. If this can just hang out sideways for another 5 days, or a bounce would be even better, then we'll be able to capture our 70% and get the heck out of that guy for another win. So things are moving. We're on track. Markets are picking up. Setups are happening a little bit more. So that's been a lot of fun. I'll keep you updated on any more trades that I have. Trying to do about 2 or 3 a month if the market gives it to me. If I can do that, I should be able to double this account in about 2 months. So things are looking good. Let's keep it going. Keep finding setups. Be as safe as we possibly can, and I'll keep you going. I'll keep you updated on what happens. I'm excited to see how this thing plays out. I've never done spreads with this small of an account before. It has its challenges, especially when we're dealing with a stock like Amazon that's so expensive. I can't really hedge this. I don't have enough money to hedge. So we'll see. It better pull out and win. But if it does, I collected about $1,000 profit on this trade. So if I buy that back, I'm looking to probably spend a couple $100 to buy it back. So $800, $700 win, which would be a really nice boost to this account and get us one step closer to our goal. So I appreciate you watching, tuning in, and I'll keep you updated on any other further trades that I have. We'll see you later, guys.